Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Boxycharm for September. This is a $21 a month beauty box. You do receive full-sized items. I think 5 full-sized items in each box. There are different variants, so I'm not sure which variant this. I do know it's in here. I opened it up as soon as I got it and was playing with everything. I couldn't help myself. So each one has like a 60 plus retail value. I think this one actually has over 100. Actually, maybe it's $100 in retail value. Someone will correct me below. Don't worry about that. So $21, it's amazing, lots of makeup. Last month it was the Party Animal palette with Laura Lee, and it was very bright colored. This month features a palette from, whatchamacallit, we'll see when we open it up, forget the name, that is more subdued, a little bit more of a smoky eye look palette, more natural look palette, so we'll see. Alright, so everything comes in like eggshell type packaging. I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Boxycharm with my referral. And you do get like an info sheet. So this is the Wildflower collection. And everything in here, they tell you the price. They tell you all about it. I was just looking to see if I knew any of these people. Look, well, they look familiar, at least not knew them, but you know what I mean. So the first item that we got, there was an other alternative. I'm not sure which one that was. I don't remember now. This is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush. This is really pretty. I'm going to be honest though and say that the color is called Tropic Hues. I'm not a huge peach blush person. So this does have a real peach tone to it. It's pretty though. I'm not going to like argue about it. And that retails for, oh, my cat's over here knocking me around. $28. So it's a high value item. And it's really nice. I should have got a towel. Shouldn't I have Swifty? Alright, so next we have the Nightingale. Pretty Vulgar, that's it. The Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. This is really cool. This is probably one of the best palettes I've ever gotten in a box in my whole life. The only thing is, and I have to look past it because I'm a nice person, a couple of the colors, when I looked at them, looked like they had been swatched. They didn't look like they were finger swatched. It looked like almost like scratchy. I don't know. Maybe it was a machine that did it. Maybe it was a brush. I don't know. It kind of bugged me out though. I was a little disappointed. But I will show you some of these. So you have, okay, Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, Break Free. These are your brow bone highlight, I guess. And one actually has a shimmer to it. So there is, I always do swatches the wrong way. It's just something I would do. And then it's Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, which is beautiful. I love, love, love that one. Flip Out. See those? Oh boy, I'm going to go over here now. Then we have I Spy. We're actually going out to eat. I'm going to have these all over me. Silver Spoon, which is also another one. I really like that one. Swoop. Ooh, those two shimmers are beautiful. Swoop is kind of patchy. I don't really like that one. After Midnight. And All Nighter, which is just an average black. But these two colors right here are gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. All right, so embrace your beautiful contradictions. Boom, boom, boom. And that retails for $35. Then we have a, don't you just want to touch everything after you do something like that? Our trio of brushes. These are the Ojitos brush set from Alamar. These retail for $18. You have a flat shader, a crease brush, and then a, it's not a flat shader. Why did I say that? It's a shading brush. A blending brush. Crease brush, and then one of those like flat, like for eyeliner and stuff like that to get really close to your eyelid. And they're green, which is interesting, right? I don't have any brushes that color. Then we have a Pro Matte Lip Color from Lorac. This is probably my favorite color. I took a nap and I shouldn't have. Like, I did not need a nap. It's probably my favorite item in this box. This is really pretty. The color is called Dusty Plum. And this retails for $19. So there's that. And it's like, look at that book. I love it. It's so pretty. All right. So that's really nice. I like it a lot. Finally, in this month's box, we have, this is an interesting product. Let me know if you want to review, because I'll review it. I will try. This is from Butter London. I love Butter London. This is the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. You hear my daughter? She's really upset right now, but my husband's down there. She's not alone. So look at that. See that? It rolls. And look. But it's not stay put, because I tried like on my handles and it smudges all over. And I'm like, ugh. Now, your hand obviously has oils on it. Could have just been me. I don't know. I don't know. But that retails for $19. So this is a great box. So think about the prices. 19. These were what? 18. So that's $37. 27? No, $37 there. 35, 28,